So it's been a while since we made a video back on the AgTeachering channel. Gonna do just a little sideshow kind of a thing here, if you want to call it that. Just a little split off. Oh, maybe we'll keep doing this. We'll see how this one goes today. We're gonna clean out my car, find out what's in an ag teacher's car. So anyway, backed up to the dumpster here, just outside the welding shop at the high school. We'll see what we end up with. So first things first, let's get started on the front seat because that's where I'm at. You can see we got a handful of things, a lot of crumbs down in here, some pennies, some nickels and things. Looks like I got a gum wrapper. We're gonna get that out. Gift card, we'll keep that. Oh, another gum wrapper. Let's get that out of there. Okay. So this could definitely use a vacuum, and I checked. I didn't have any garbage on this seat, but I do have my gloves, a couple days worth of lunch containers, a jacket, because it's a little chilly. Oh, keys are in the ignition. Don't want to listen to that. Drop you down there. Come on around. Sunshades. Leave that there for now. Don't need it this time of year. Ooh, that is stuck. You can see it's not only a ag teacher car, but it's the farm car. Got a bunch of stuff in there. Throw that in the dumpster. Back seat a little less organized than the front. That was my ugly sweater for the ugly sweater contest. It looks like a Christmas tree. Oh, that's great. I'll bet my daughter dropped that there one day. Thank you very much. Got my Yeti with a piece of gum. Throw that in the little dumpster. Got a bin here that belongs to the greenhouse. So we're gonna take that out and leave it here. Gotta have the Yeti though for some of those long days. We'll get the rest of that gum cleaned off sometime. There's my lariat. Last thing that roped was a dang goat. I won that igloo cooler right there at one of our teacher conferences with the district just this last summer. Box of shells, it's empty. Definitely not full. Okay, some more trash. Receipts, of course. Oh, went to the Mountain Land Applied Technology College and got that bag. They gave that to us when we were learning about the AWS Sense training. Some of you might know what that is and how it works. More garbage. Oh, look at that. Some carbon choke cleaner. Ought to put that in the small engine shop. Ooh, handy. That's my tripod. I've been looking for that. Let's put it up there. Good idea. More garbage. Oh yeah, bungee strap. Gotta have one of those. Another one. Yeah. Okay. We got all kinds of good garbage down here, don't we? All right, let's gather up this garbage. We'll throw it in that box of shells there. We can throw it all away. Okay. Got my coveys for those crazy days. Oh boy. Got my windshield brush. Good long one, so you don't have to move around too much. And you don't have to brush it off on yourself. I hate that. Got my hiking boots, of course. Got some straps in here. Yeah, gotta have those. More garbage. Don't know if you guys know who the Bar J Wranglers are, but they're good. That was from last year. Oh, more trash. Oh, I don't think I paid that ticket. And let's see. Don't want to throw this away. I'll show you that thing in just here in a minute. Yeah, garbage. Oh, that's a glove from a kid's costume. Don't need that anymore. We had these. Ooh, I'm gonna have to take it home and wash it. Had these aprons made up not too long ago for when we did our FFA breakfast during FFA week, and they turned out really good. We did some different colors on it so that we didn't have to pay so much for all the different colors of thread and all that stuff. So anyway, more garbage. Yeah, all these things. I'm sure some of you are not too excited about what you're seeing in the back seat. However, I would guess that some of you have similar situations in your cars, your ag teacher cars. This is my commuter. As you can see, she's just a little cutie. I drive about 35 miles every day to work and then 35 miles back home. So I don't live in the town that I teach in. Oh boy, look at these straps. I think these are not mine. I'm pretty sure they belong here in the shop. Oh, pipe wrench is mine. Yeah, gotta have that. Another strap. I got ear tags. Let's put them in the cows sometime. Maybe one day we'll do a little video with the cows. Got my pliers. All right. More straps. Oh, got our ticket to the county fair. You know it. That was from last year. We'd probably throw it away. Don't need to keep those around. Ooh, got a bag to put it in. You can load the garbage in that. Came from the vet. Bought some LA 200 to shoot up a goat not too long ago. And it did the trick. She had something called, I think they called it a wooden tongue. Maybe some of you know that. I'd never seen it before. But boy, oh boy. Her tongue got all big and swollen up. Gave her that shot of LA 200. Oh, sorry, that's kind of a bad view on the video, but gotta do something with that extra hand of mine holding the phone. More garbage. Anyway, we'll get, pull it out of there. There's more under the chair. Oh, I was covering it up. There you go. Okay, we'll get that gathered up here in a minute. Look at all these things you gotta have when you're an ag teacher. Pipe wrenches and straps. Yeah. Well, there's the tour of my car. We're not gonna venture into the trunk quite yet. Maybe another day. Hope you had a good time. That was a good little video for a bit. Maybe next time. We'll see you later.